first section is weighing. For this video, it has 8 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 heads for weighing. When the weighing is finished, it will drop into the box and into the clamshell. At the same time, the clamshell will be automatically dropped. Drop the clamshell and convey the clamshell to the specific position. This section will be off and drop into the box, and then it will go through the conveyor. The first section is close the clamshell, and then it will close the clamshell again. It depends on the packaging type of the shell, and then finish the entire process fully automatically. And in this video, I'm going to show you how the clamshell will automatically drop into specific position and how you can adjust accordingly because you have different size of the clamshell. The first part will be this 4 wheel at height of the clamshell, and for this 4 wheel 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll adjust the length of the clamshell. So you can adjust the length and width and height of the clamshell by this 8 wheel. And you can also see their small design here. It's for fixed the clamshell into specific position. This part, and it will fix the clamshell in specific position. And the last part will be the arm. Actually suck the clamshell into specific position, use the vacuum sucking, so we can actually adjust this arm position high and low, and also we can adjust the small arm position. It actually depends on the clamshell design, how the clamshell pattern is, so we can adjust the height of this 4 small arm and this arm, so it can make sure the clamshell will automatically drop into specific position. You can actually adjust accordingly to different size of the clamshell. So in the closing the clamshell, it actually depends on the pattern of the shell. You can see it's for button close. So for this type, for this section, we have special design for close the button. So you can see the design is for this head and for this head because it has 2 buttons. So it will close automatically when it go here, and then it will put down and close this part. So the clamshell will be closed, seamless, finished. For this pattern of clamshell, it's automatically can close for easier. And how to close this clamshell is for this section. When it goes through, and it will automatically close. For this part, automatically still, and then it finished. Change the conveyor length according to different size of the clamshell. already changed. You just need to adjust this wheel. So the width of this conveyor can change. So you can change to different size, different width. So big one, small one, you only need to adjust by this wheel. So change the width of this conveyor. So you can change different shell by adjusting this part.